Are you tired of Google Chrome constantly throwing hurdles in your download process? It's pretty frustrating, right? But don't sweat it. In this guide, I'll walk you through fixing this snag so you can download your files hassle-free. Let's dive in. To start off, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer. Then head over to the upper right corner of the screen and give the three-dot icon a click. Next up, hit Settings option. After that, navigate to Privacy and Security from the menu on the left. And then find and select Security. Now you'll spot the No Protection option here. If you're cool with downloading files sans any warning, just give it a click. Then hit that trusty Turn Off button. You'll notice Chrome isn't being a roadblock to your downloads anymore, though it's smart to keep some level of protection to guard against viruses and other pesky stuff. So that's the lowdown on stopping Chrome from gatekeeping your downloads on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.